In the year 2275, on the distant planet Nova Jamaica, a lush paradise of biodiverse landscapes and shimmering cities, lived a legendary ranger named Marcus Garvey. Clad in a sleek, eco-integrated suit, Marcus was known across the colonies for his unwavering dedication to protecting the planet's fragile ecosystems and indigenous lifeforms. One day, a distress signal crackled through the jungle canopy. A rogue corporation, TerraCore, was attempting to extract rare mineral deposits from the sacred glade of ancients, a site believed to hold the spiritual essence of Nova Jamaica. If exploited, it could destroy the planet's balance and ancestral spirits. Marcus, guided by his deep sense of justice and the wisdom of his ancestors, swiftly mobilized his team of eco-rangers. As they approached the glade, they discovered that TerraCore had already set up drilling rigs and security drones. With stealth and agility, Marcus infiltrated the site, disabling the machinery and rerouting the drone's control signals. But TerraCore's security chief, a cyborg named Ironclad, confronted Marcus in a tense showdown. The two clashed fiercely, but Marcus's knowledge of the land and his respect for its spirits gave him an edge. He managed to outsmart Ironclad, convincing him that the planet's soul was more valuable than any mineral. In a final act of bravery, Marcus used an ancient ritual device to channel the planet's energy, restoring harmony and awakening the spirits of Nova Jamaica. TerraCore's operation was halted, and the corporation retreated. As the sun dipped below the emerald horizon, Marcus Garvey stood amidst the sacred trees, vowing to be the eternal guardian of Nova Jamaica, its protector, its voice, its spirit.